Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of network automation. We have talked about network automation and programmability, but let's focus on network automation specifically and why it's so cool. Imagine this. In the world of network, there are lots of repetitive tasks like configuring, monitoring, and troubleshooting. And let's be honest, doing them manually can be a real drag. But fear not, because network automation is here to save the day. Network automation is all about using awesome software tools and fancy technologies to automate those repetitive network tasks. It's like streamlining and simplifying network operations, make our lives as IT pros so much easier. So, what does network automation actually do? Well, picture this scenario. You have to configure a bunch of network devices, okay? In the past, you'd have to log into each one separately and type in the same commands over and over. But with network automation, we can say goodbye to all that manual work. Instead, we can create these super cool scripts that do the configuring for us. These scripts act like our trusty helpers, configuring all the devices at once. Can you believe it? No more going device by device. It's like magic, okay? But network automation doesn't stop there. It's also help us with monitoring and troubleshooting. Think about it. Networks are always changing, right? And issues can pop up anytime. With automation, we can set up tools to keep an eye on our network's performance and give us an instant heads up with something not right. It's like having a personal network watchdog. And when it comes to troubleshooting, automation is lifesaver. We don't have to go on wild goose chases trying to find the problem, right? Automation can pinpoint the exact issues and even suggest solutions. It's like having a troubleshooting pro right in our pocket. Now, you might be wondering, why should we even bother with network automation? Well, my friends, the benefits are mind-blowing. By embracing automation, we save tons of times and can focus on more important things. Plus, we minimize those pesky human errors that can mess up our configurations, okay? Not only that, automation makes our networks more reliable. With automated monitoring and troubleshooting, we can catch and fix problems quickly, keeping our networks up and running smoothly. So, let's jump on the network automation bandwagon and unlock world of efficiency and productivity. Stay tuned for more exciting insights as we continue our journey into the realm of network automation and programmability. Okay, good. Thank you for joining me on this captivating exploration of network automation and programmability. If you found this video valuable, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel to support the content and stay updated with the latest insights and tutorials. Turning on notifications will ensure you never miss a new video and stay ahead in your journey to master network automation and programmability. Your engagement and dedication mean the world to me as we unlock the full potential of this field together. Keep exploring, learning, and innovating, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.